The JupiterForce portable mini washing machine uses a twin tub layout, so you can wash one load while spinning another, which saves a surprising amount of time on laundry day. Simple mechanical dials let you set separate wash and spin timers, making it easy to match cycle length to delicate items or heavier fabrics without overthinking the settings. Despite its compact footprint, the washer side can handle about 11 pounds of clothing and the spinner about 6.6 pounds, which is enough for everyday outfits, towels, or a set of bedding. The motor delivers strong agitation and a fast spin that pulls out a lot of water, so clothes come out noticeably cleaner and need less time hanging or in a separate dryer. Its built-in gravity drain keeps the design straightforward and reliable, as long as you position the hose lower than the tub or sink where you are draining. Because it is lightweight and roughly 25 inches long, 14 inches wide, and 29 inches tall, it fits comfortably in small apartments, dorm rooms, recreational vehicles, or even a camping setup with access to water.